I'm doing Android 10.4 inches, so I need the mounting kit is 997811B. The wiring harness, the customer bought all these, it's HA701729. This is a mounting kit and it didn't fit, so I had to use the oscillating tool and cut the back one about that much so I can put it in, and then I got to use a screw and hold this together right there somehow. I'm gonna use some hot glue so it kind of settles so it won't move while I'm doing it. So now I'm using a glue, regular glue, and glue this for now temporary so it kind of hold it a little bit. Well, actually not a little bit. This glue will last, but hot glue, when it got heat, it don't work that well. So let it dry it a little bit right here, making sure I got it right. Make sure the front is about right there, and wait a little bit. I'm gonna put glue around here. I cannot put too much because this do get hot. What you do, you take the Phillips, and you take the flathead and pry it out like this, lift it up a little bit, and then do the same as those two. And then you got this two right here, do the same thing. So you got 2, 4, and 6.